Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix GroupMe notification not working, iOS, Android settings and background data. Fix 1. Check GroupMe in app settings. You just have to open a GroupMe app and tap on the profile icon top corner. Then select the settings and scroll to the notification. Ensure group message sound is active. Ensure direct message sound is active. Verify turn off all notification is toggled off. Fix 2. Check specific group chat. Open a specific chat that is silent, then tap on the chat avatar at the top and select settings. Verify mute or past notification is turned off. Fix 3. Enable system permissions iPhone. You just have to open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap GroupMe, tap on the notification, toggle allow notification to on, check the box for lock screen notification center and banners. Go back one screen and then you have to toggle the background app refresh to on. Fix 4. Enable system permission Android. Open your phone setting, tap on the apps or application, select GroupMe, tap on notification, toggle show notification to on, tap on storage, then you have to tap on clear cache, do not tap on clear data. Fix 5. Disable battery saving mode. For iOS, navigate to iPhone settings, select battery option, turn low power mode off. For Android, open your phone setting on your device, then select the apps from the menu, find and tap on GroupMe in the list of application, go to the battery settings for GroupMe, choose the option called unrestricted battery usage. Thanks for watching.